possible for Judge Sotomayor to attend two of America's leading universities, graduating at the top of her class at Princeton University and studying at Yale Law School, where she won a prestigious post as an editor of the school's law journal. These many years...
Hold on a second. Certainly the most prestigious school in this part of Cambridge, Massachusetts.
As a young man with a degree in hand from a prestigious law school, John didn't follow his friends to a blue-chip law firm.
Well, I believe when you see me standing here before you today and receiving this prestigious award of the Medal of Freedom, it will perhaps also be a moment where one needs to look back to 1989 and German unification and what actually happened there.
While the women who pioneered software were often overlooked, the most prestigious award for young computer scientists now bear her name.